Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my February Ipsy bag. So you guys have probably noticed I don't normally get this subscription bag, but I wanted to kind of get back into it and also try to get the Glam Bag Plus, which is I think right now just for members, and I think like everybody's kind of waiting for it. So I decided to kind of jump on board, and I know I show a lot of subscription boxes that are a little bit pricier, so I thought showing one that's about 10 bucks a month might be more interesting to some of you guys who are like, I'm not paying all that, which I totally understand. So it is $10 a month. I will link it below if you want to check it out. Everybody's probably pretty familiar with it by now, and I don't know if this is going to be like something you guys really want to watch. If you're like, I'm not going to watch any more unbaggings, let me know and I just won't do them, or I'll just include them in a vlog, because this may wind up being a video that's just not going to get a lot of views. I don't know. So let me know what you think below. First off, I gotta show you guys the cutest little cupcakes I made. Now, this is just Valentine's Day funfetti, so I didn't do anything special here, but the icing is light pink and the little sprinkles, and I am loving this little unicorn. It's so cute. So I got this little cupcake kit at TJ Maxx that had the toppers and sprinkles, and it had cute little foil and red cupcake holders. So I thought this was really, really cute. I'm about to eat this as like my dessert, but I just wanted to show you guys how adorable. Let's dive right into the bag. I'm gonna keep this really short and sweet. First off, we got a brush that was inside the envelope, but not inside the bag itself. So this is a Farrah brush. It is the 50F. I'm kind of confused why the prices or values are not on the card. Like, that would be really helpful information, but I will put it on the screen for you guys. I'm gonna be honest though, this doesn't feel like a really high quality brush. It doesn't seem bad, so like don't get me wrong, but in comparison with like a normal brush or a high-end brush, this is just not really anything special. The bristles itself are synthetic, of course, but they feel very synthetic. They feel kind of like plasticky in the strands. Kind of show you guys close up what it looks like. So I'm not really impressed with this. The color is kind of cute. It's not really my like aesthetic. A light pink or like a soft gold would have been more up my alley. I don't know. I see this color and it's more like youthful, playful. I don't know. I'm not crazy about it. I will try it out, and it will probably do just fine, so I'm not hating on it by any means. But there's just nothing special about it. I really like getting like Luxie brushes in subscription bags. So yeah, now we're gonna dive into the bag. The bag itself is really cute, and I do think though, like for 10 bucks, literally getting a makeup bag and a brush is a good deal, so I'm not complaining about the value at all. The first thing we got is this Deuce Fierce and Fine graphic pen. I'm gonna be honest too, this brand has not really done it for me. I've gotten several items, but I haven't gotten this liner before. I don't think I have. So I'm gonna do a little flick. Oh, it's starting to bleed already. It's pretty black, but if you look closely, it's starting to bleed into those lines. It's certainly not the worst I've seen. I've seen much, much worse. It looks kind of opaque, but not 100%. It's kind of smearing a bit. This is just not a favorite brand of mine. I've tried several things from the brand, and they've always just kind of fell short for me. It's never anything special. I'm never blown away by it, and I mean, I don't know. That just, look at it now. It didn't really do it for me. So let's move on. The next thing I see is a Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. So it's a deep skin treatment and gentle exfoliation. That's what it looks like there. This I'm kind of excited for. It sounds interesting. It smells like old school like Vaseline lotion. Oh wow, once you really like massage it in though, it definitely smells like a little pumpkin-y and maybe just a hint of fruitiness to it. So I'm excited to try this. I love to keep a product like this in my shower where I can just like kind of throw it on, do my cleansing exfoliation all in one step. The next thing I see is the Ciate Glow 2 highlighter, and this is in the shade Moon Dust. So it is just a loose pan, so you can put it in a Z palette. I have a couple that I can add this to. So I want to swatch it for you. Oh, I do think that it's luminous. It's just like kind of the worst color for my skin tone, because it kind of wants to just blend away and not do much. Let me try it with a brush really quick. Sometimes it can look really different on the face, but I bet when I do a bit of self-tanning that this could be really nice. And even with a brush just like that, it's much better already. But I think it's going to be really, really pretty once I have a bit of a faux tan going on. And we've got one more thing. This is by Lab For You, the Multi-X Repair Cream. So that's the bottle. The product doesn't start until right here. I can see it really easily, so I'm like confused. I guess the bigger tube is to give you like the illusion of more product. This is 0.34 ounces, but that's just wasteful to me. I don't love the fact that that could be misleading. Obviously you can read the ounces, but most people just look at the product and don't think about much past that. And it says this is professional repair formula, anti-wrinkle brightening, daily calming moisturizer. So I'll give it a go. You know, the problem is like you need to use moisturizer for a little while to be able to tell the difference. Feels good. It has like a almost medicated type of scent to it, so it doesn't smell fragrancy, which I like a lot. So I will give this a shot. Overall though, the value is still there. Like you can't deny that even just a couple of these products for 10 bucks is a really good deal. So I'm still gonna stick with it. I'm excited to try out the Glam Bag Plus in the future and kind of see what that's all about. Let me know what your thoughts are below. So we've got one more thing to take care of and my camera's about to die. So let's do really quick our dad joke of the day. It says, I am terrified of lifts. I'm going to start taking steps to avoid them. You get it? Taking steps to avoid them. Because you're going to take the steps, but taking the steps is your step. Okay, that one didn't make me laugh out loud. Like most of them, because I'm cheesy and corny, make me really laugh. It's not the best. It's not the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short, sweet video about my February Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know below what your thoughts are. Make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.